तो जब भूख लगती है, all you care about is quick deliveries. So let's try Zepto Cafe items today and see if their food items are worth it. Subscribe कर लेना पहले. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kimsey. So today we are doing something very exciting. That is, we are ordering a few things from Zepto Cafe and we are reviewing them. So I know every time I say this कि आपको घर का खाना चाहिए, do not eat unhealthy. But sometimes cheat meals are good. I wanted today to be my cheat meal. For some reason I had some cravings. So I think Zepto it is. And by cheat meals I mean once in a month or 2 months, not in a week. It cannot be in a week. Let's go. I have my Zepto Cafe on. Now we are browsing and seeing what we are ordering today. So the first one is samosa. So I am a big fan of samosas and I did buy it from Zepto before and believe me, I do not like it. I do not like it at all. Out of 10, I would rate it 1 on 10. Reason being, 1 for उसमें मैदा और आलू था. That is the only reason I'm giving it 1. Otherwise, no, don't order it. Maggi, no. Tiramisu. Let's go with tiramisu. Let's order one tiramisu. It's for 119. Next is garlic bread with cheese dip. Let's order this one as well. Margarita, not today. We are not ordering pizza. It's going to be very heavy. Okay, so scrolling. So it has mini butter croissants. It looks very exciting. Let's order mini butter croissants. It again comes for 100 rupees. So let's try it this time. Then our steamed veg pizza bao, 2 pieces for 129. Let's give it a try. We should give it a try, I think. And okay, butter croissant. No, I've ordered mini butter croissants. So today I'm in a mood of ordering something cold beverage for myself. So let's see what our options are. So it has chocolate shake, it has strawberry shake, mixed berry shake, jeera shikanji for 100 rupees. I cannot spend jeera shikanji 100 rupees. 20 रुपए की चीज के लिए 100 रुपए नहीं. I know मैं Zepto Cafe से order कर रही हूँ, but I'll be only ordering things that seem relevant to me, not jeera shikanji for 100 rupees. So it has a lot of iced teas. It has Vietnamese coffee as well. Okay, so I did find myself an iced Americano for 120 rupees and I can never say no to a good coffee. So I have tried their iced Americano before and obviously it's not as good as Starbucks, but a good brewed coffee within 10 minutes at home, 110 rupees, I think it's fine. And it's 450 ml, so it's a good quantity as well. So obviously, out of all these, I'll be ordering iced Americano. So that's about it. I do not find any other good options. So it will be an iced Americano for me. So let's browse some other things as well and see if we order that. Okay, so they have one Korean cream cheese bun. It really looks exciting. It looks like this, but we are not ordering it today. I think it has a lot of cheese. It will be very heavy. Not ordering it. So okay, so the next one is samosa pav. Okay, so I cannot. I do not understand why people put everything in pav and then like make a new fusion out of it. I like making fusions, but not these. Samosa is a thing that has been experimented way too much, and they've made very weird combinations. Like I have seen sambar samosa, I have seen chola samosa, and I have seen samosa pav right here. And I think Zepto has all three. I do not know कि लोग कैसे खाते हैं या I just cannot even imagine sambar and samosa together. It's like two states all together. I cannot. Nah. I love samosa way too much for that. If you also think the same, do comment down below. I was just scrolling and I just saw hot milk. A glass of hot milk at 60 rupees. Who buys that? कौन खरीद रहा है? घर पे गरम कर रही हूँ मैं यार. एक glass milk for 59. Also, I found wheat chapatis going on. So, sorry, just very curious. So the next thing that I saw for myself, which I actually liked, was Medu Vada and Sambar. So I'll be ordering one Medu Vada and Sambar. So let's wait, let's order and see. And they also got some finger foods, by the way. So, okay. Okay, so we just ordered. The order is going to be here in 10 minutes. I'm waiting for 10 minutes. Or I think Zomato obviously अपनी जगह है, but this is also cooler, right? 10 minutes में it's quicker delivery and you get everything at one stop, so I really like it. N numbers of times I have said this, that I'm a crazy coffee person, so here is my coffee. This is my iced Americano, and one of the best things that I really want to point out is that they use eco-friendly rice straws, which is an amazing idea. It does dissolve in a bit, but I think it's a very good idea, like to replace it with plastic and paper straws. Good idea. So let's try my iced Americano now. Let's see. Oh, nice. Nothing can go wrong with this coffee. It's perfectly brewed. The quantity also seems good for 120 rupees. Love it. So usually iced coffees are 10 on 10 for me. So this is a 10 on 10 for me. Let's try the next one, which is mini butter croissants. Okay, so these are very cute croissants. Let's try. They're hot as well. They're freshly baked, I guess. It's a bit chewy. Okay, so obviously this concept of mini butter croissants for munchies is a good idea. But these are freshly baked, but this is not perfectly baked because of which it's a bit chewy. I have eaten better croissants, so it's soggy as well. I would rate it a 6 on 10, not more than that. It's a 6 on 10 for me. I don't think I'll buy it again. But okay. What I mean to say is the croissants are supposed to be super light. They are supposed to be very airy, but this feels very heavy. It might be good for people who are trying it for first time, but for me, I have eaten it before, so for me, it's a no-go, no. So the next one we are trying is garlic bread and cheese dip. So let's go, let's open it. So it does exactly look like Domino's garlic bread, and it also has a cheese dip in it. So let's try. Okay, the consistency of cheese dip is also very good. So let's cut a slice and try. So it's genuinely good. Okay, why do I like it better than Domino's? Because for me, Domino's one is a bit drier, but this is super soft bread. I like it. Okay, surprisingly, I like it. I love it. It is buttery. It is completely soft. It has good garlicky flavor. The cheese dip, the quality of the cheese dip is very good. So no compromise. This whole thing comes for 120 rupees together with the dip, obviously. Because what I remember is now, obviously, Domino's, first you need to buy what, it's for 150, 160 rupees, and then you need to go for dip for another 40 rupees. So 10 minutes और इतनी अच्छी quality, and I liked it better than Domino's. So यार मैं आधी garlic bread खा चुकी हूँ because I love it so much. This is exact replica of Domino's cheese dip, by the way. I'm rating it a good 9.5 क्योंकि it's not that hot. 2.5 cutting because it's not that hot. Otherwise, you should try it. I like it. The next one we are trying is steamed pizza bao bun, and let's open. And this is what came. Oops. Okay. So this is how it looks, and we are opening the ketchup, or what is it? It's a momo sauce by Persuma. So let's try this. यार I'm very excited to try this. मैंने बहुत अच्छे बाउस खाए हैं. I really hope ये अच्छा हो. Okay. So let's go in. This is so cute. I remember this. It looks like dumpling from Kung Fu Panda. These are so cute. Who used to eat it? Okay, a lot of maida, so I did not taste much of the filling. Let's dip in again. Actually, this is just fine. I do not like it that much. Actually, the good thing about this bao is this momo sauce. I don't know why, but I really like the momo sauce better than this bao. This seems like a preservative that they've just steamed it. It's not freshly made. So that is what I think of it. Okay, and obviously it's bread. It's steamed bread, but it did come very cold. So I don't know about it. It came very cold. So overall, my rating for this one, 5. So I'll just give it 5. Mediocre product. I wouldn't order it again. So I'm still giving it a try. I've eaten more than half to just see कि शायद मेरा perspective change हो जाए. But very frankly, I do not like it. This bread just feels like a lot of maida stick together, and I do not like the filling at all. Filling में कोई proper taste है ही नहीं. It's just थोड़ी सी मिर्ची. That's it. I do not know कि filling क्या है, so it remains the same. I'm not going to order it again. So I am a South Indian food lover. I can always eat idlis and dosas any time of the day, anywhere, and that is why I ordered medu vada. So let's open. Okay. यार इसका सांभर एक जगह सारा settle हो गया. See, it's been settled one side, and एक साइड पे पूरा watery सांभर है. So let's give it a try. Okay. यार अगर साउथ इंडियन खाना बुरा आता है तो बहुत मूड डिस्ट्रॉय होता है यार. Okay, so no, I do not even think कि मेदू बड़ा cooked है. It's quite chewy, crunchy है. मतलब I can feel the दाल वाला texture in my mouth very easily. Okay, sambar is sweet. It feels like sambar. So sambar is fine. मतलब if you replace the sambar, take it out from here and keep it with something else, it's fine. I personally did not like medu vada. ऊपर से the way it looks. See the way it looks. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. It looks like this, which is like ये मेदू वड़ा से इडली बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट दे वर कंफ्यूज्ड कि क्या करें, तो they just did something. Okay, so the last thing we are left with is tiramisu. So this is how it looks. They also have put a chocolate coin on it of Zepto Cafe. So let's try it. So I've eaten chocolate mousse before once, but I've never tried tiramisu from Zepto Cafe. So let's give it a try. Okay, so okay, a lot of cream. Not bad actually. I like it. See, tiramisu is completely costly. What I see, this is for 120 rupees. So I didn't really expect a lot out of it. So for that rate, I think it's fine. See, बाहर इतने तिरामिसुस है कि I don't think कि इनके पास उस लेवल का पेस्ट्री शेफ है कि they'll be able to pull that off. But those are costly. Those are extremely flavorful. Everything. ये अपनी जगह ठीक है. So I'll be giving it like a 7 or a 7.5. Not more than that. क्योंकि it's supposed to be more flavorful. ये उतना नहीं लगा. But for rate, I am going to rate it 7.5. So as you have already seen how much I've eaten in front of you and what I've rated. But for me, this has been a banger, and you can already see during the whole video I've already had half of it. And so today I just ordered 6 things out of Zepto Cafe, and Zepto, if you ever see this video, one suggestion, आप प्लीज पेपर बैग्स और ये बॉक्सेस थोड़े कम यूज करिए या छोटे शेप के करिए, बिकॉज वेन एवर अ ज़ेप्टो कैफे ऑर्डर कम्स इट्स ऑलवेज इन लाइक बिग बैग्स. मतलब आप सिर्फ एक अमेरिकानो के लिए दिस इज ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू गिव मी, एंड I know कि this is your good hospitality, but it also is a lot of paper wastage. Like you see how many things I've collected. तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है ये. I think try and like reduce it जितना आप कर सकते हो, because save environment, right? Today this is all I ordered from Zepto Cafe, and this was my honest review. And who would have guessed that an Americano would win? But it did for me, right? So if you really like this video, do subscribe me, and I'll be rating other stuff as well, food related too. And if you comment down below, we will order the whole menu of Zepto Cafe and make another video out of it. Let's see, that's a big commitment. But anyways, do like, comment and subscribe if you really think that this video was any good. And until then, see you. Bye bye.